In today's video, I am kind of excited because I will be unboxing my very first Ipsy box. I was talking to one of my best friends and she asked me, why don't you have a beauty subscription box? I was like, why did I not think to do this sooner? Because let's be honest, buying makeup gets expensive very quickly. So she had Ipsy. I know there's other subscription boxes out there, but she had Ipsy, so took her word for it, and that's what I went with. This is the box that came. I did the Boxycharm membership, which is $30, and you get 5 full-size beauty products. But there are other tiers to the subscription. So let me just pull up some information to make sure that I'm giving you the correct information. So the Glam box is the first tier and it's $14, and you get 5 deluxe size beauty samples worth up to $70. The Boxycharm is the one I got. That's $30, and you get 5 full-size beauty products. Then the third tier is the Icon box, and you get 8 full-size products for $60. There's also other like combinations. I believe you can do multiple of the memberships. And there's also like add-ons. There's a bunch of add-ons. This is my first month doing this. So I'm still getting used to the app and what to look out for and what time of the month to look out for things. But let's just get into the box already. The first thing I added to my list was this Ofra liquid liner, which is so funny because I forgot that I put this on my list, and I just filmed a holiday makeup look and I was literally just talking about how my liquid eyeliner is dried out. So I'm super excited. And should we just try this out right now? It's kind of heavy, so it feels like it has a lot of product in it, but this is what it looks like. It has a felt tip. Oh, this is dark. Very nice. And no smudge. So I am very happy about that. I was like talking to myself in the future and not knowing it. The next thing I put on my list was, let's see what this is. This company I never heard of before. It's Dermalactive, and this is a triple power collagen moisturizer. I have very dry skin, so any type of moisturizer I will try because I've had my fair share of moisturizers and they don't all work. I'm closer to needing more of like a serum or a thicker, what's the word? Or like a thicker balm. So that's what I'm looking for. And I've never used a collagen before, so I want to see if I feel any difference in my skin if I use this. So it is in like a cream. Oh, it is kind of thick. Okay, so this might work for me. So far we're 2 for 2. I'm not mad at this. Oh, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness. I'm using it tomorrow. Oh, it's so soft. And the smell is not too strong. Kind of smells like, I want to say like I know Avon is strong, but like a very light kind of Avon it smells like. Yes, I like it. I'm happy so far. This is number 3. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I don't know how to pronounce this brand, so I'm not gonna try to butcher it. But I've seen this all over TikTok, and I believe this was kind of expensive. Let's look it up. Let's look it up. Let's be nosy. Oh, yeah. So this cream alone retails for $30, which is the same price that I paid for this entire box. Insane. Literally like staring at it right now. I low key hope that I don't like it because for me to pay $30. All right, so again, I'm very dry all around, scalp, face, hands, everything. So I already knew this cream was really thick. Just to give you an idea, like look how it's. Oh, this smells good too. It has shea butter in it for very dry hands. That's me. Yeah, this is that like luxury lotion that you You just need to have it in your purse. Like when somebody asks you, hey, do you have lotion? And you just have a whole conversation about this. I see it. I see it happening. It smells so good though. It smells like a light baby powder, and I love like baby powder scents. Yeah, this will work for me, definitely. And especially because it has shea butter in it. I know my skin is not gonna soak up the shea butter as quickly as it does with like regular lotion. I love the scent of this so much already. And I feel like I'm gonna use this up like very quickly. And I'm gonna have to go spend another $30. We are at 3 for 3. Next, I got the LYS Beauty brow pencil. What do I have? I have two LYS Beauty products, and they just came out with something else that I want to try. I think it's the foundation, but so far, I love their brand. Everything that I've tried so far is amazing. This is in the shade Soft Black. Okay, that's good for me. So this is how it's swatching. Let me see if I can. Oh, actually, okay. Okay, this is gonna work for me as well. I have Anastasia Beverly Hills eye pen. You can see the difference. Look at my ends. Wait, let's fill in my ends before I finish that thought. This pencil is giving me like 2010 vibes, just like the smoothness and the softness of it, of the pencil itself, but I also love that it's so thin. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, and for some reason, I feel like it goes on me a little ashy and doesn't show up as much as I would like, but the consistency and the formula in this, yeah. I would do a darker brown though. I think I can see the black being a little overbearing depending what my makeup look is. Like usually I just shade in the ends with like a really dark, which is fine, but I cannot do my whole eyebrow with this color. So we were almost there, but I'm still going to use it 100%. I just need to look for maybe a dark brown. And my last full size product that I got is actually an eyeshadow palette. This is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. I don't know if you can find this anywhere or if this is exclusive to Ipsy, because I was trying to be a little sneaky and like see if I would still be able to find these exact products in store and not just like through the box subscription. This one I think is the only thing that I did not find. I already have glitter on my eyes, but let's try it. Let's try one color. I know Natasha Denona, well, I've heard that her stuff is very expensive. I've never bought anything from her. But yeah, let me see what this formula looks like. I'm taking the middle one, and I'm just gonna go over what I have here in the corners. Very pretty, a very pretty foil. I feel like it just kind of elevated the makeup look a little bit there. It's very soft. The glitter is very soft, I'll say that. Sometimes the glitters you have to press a little bit harder into, which I don't like. This is pretty. Let me see what the brown looks like as well. So here are some of the swatches. Very pretty. The pink is pretty. The silver is pretty. Maybe I'll use this if I decide to do an I'm cold makeup look. If I do decide to do that video, then I will use this for some of the shimmers. So not bad. I don't normally look for shimmers. I'm usually like a matte eyeshadow kind of person, especially for like everyday look. I don't know if I'm going to use that too much, but it was nice to try out for the first time. And as one of the add-on options, I didn't add too much because I didn't want to go crazy, but they had the First Aid Beauty facial pads. If you've seen my favorites videos, I don't know, like a couple videos back, yeah, these are one of my like holy grail. Especially, we just got into winter and my skin has already been flaking up, and I did not repurchase the full size bottle of that. So when I saw this on the site, I was like, I need this to throw in my bag. So this with the lotion. Like, I already have my little winter beauty kit going on. So I'm very happy. So that is the end of my box. I'm honestly beyond satisfied with this box. I wish you guys, like, I know this sounds weird, but I wish you guys can feel, like, do you see the glisten? That alone is from this collagen moisturizer. So imagine once I put it on my face. I feel like I'm gonna have that like glass skin without putting on too much serum, but it's so soft. Yeah, I'm happy with my picks and I cannot wait for next month. Since I have the subscription now, I am going to show you guys what I get every month. Hopefully everything is as good and stays as good as my first month. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.